Hello student, today we start next practical, that is to prepare, evaluate and submit calamine lotion IP. So for this preparation or for the preparation of calamine lotion, you have to add following ingredient. First one is the calamine 150 gram. It is used as a mild astringent in this preparation. Next is the zinc oxide 50 gram. It is used as a mild astringent and antiseptic in this preparation. Next one is the bentonite. Bentonite 30 gram. It is used as a suspending agent in this preparation. Next is the sodium citrate, that is 5 gram, and it is used as a peptidizing agent in this preparation. Next one is the liquid phenol 5 ml. It is used as a preservative and antiseptic in this preparation. Next is the glycerin 50 ml. It is used as a viscosity builder or skin adherent. And next is the purified water up to 1000 ml. It is used as a vehicle. So you have to add quantity, this quantity for preparation of 1000 ml calamine lotion. Okay, depend on the quantity of whole preparation, you have to calculate the quantity. Okay, so it is, this quantity is given for 1000 ml. So next we started the manufacturing procedure of calamine lotion. So for preparation or the manufacturing procedure, you have to take calamine, then zinc oxide and bentonite into the mortar and pestle and triturate it. So trituration procedure is started into mortar pestle, zinc oxide, calamine lotion and bentonite is taken into the mortar and pestle, and side by side in one beaker or in measuring cylinder you have to add sufficient quantity of water, and in that water you have to add sodium citrate, and that solution of sodium citrate you have to add into that zinc oxide, calamine and bentonite fine powder. So you have to triturate first all the zinc oxide, calamine and bentonite up to the fine powder. So you have to add small quantities of sodium citrate solution into that preparation. Okay, and triturate properly. So you have to make or manufacture proper calamine lotion. So mixing of this preparation is very important. So you have to triturate it again and again after the addition of your sodium citrate solution. Okay, after addition of all the solution of sodium citrate, you have to add liquefied phenol, then glycerin, and in last you have to add the sufficient quantity of water to produce the final volume of your calamine lotion. Okay, so addition of liquid phenol and glycerin and sufficient water to prepare final volume is added into the calamine lotion. So after all this procedure you have to store this preparation into the squeeze bottle. Okay, so you have to store into the squeeze container. So proper mixing is important. Whenever your fine calamine lotion is prepared, then you have to add into the squeeze bottle by funnel. So this type of